Okay, I just wanted to share a really quick tip for some tool organization. I recently bought a magnetic bar. It's used for like kitchen knives, and I ordered it. I wasn't sure if it was going to be strong enough, so I just bought the small one. The magnet is actually crazy strong. I injured myself a couple times installing it actually because it's so strong, but there's a lot of things that don't fit well in like the holes like this, like an edge groover. So it's really nice having a magnetic bar. Also, my knives are always right where I need them. And I've done things like this before. That's always a possibility, but sometimes things just don't fit right. Anyway, this magnetic bar's been really awesome. I'm gonna order some more so that I can mount up the rest of my dies. I was throwing them up there with some nails, but I didn't want to keep drilling holes in the dies because it weakens them, especially these smaller ones. So I'm just gonna get a bunch more of these. They have longer ones, and I'll mount them up on this whole wall and we'll get them looking nice. So anyway, that's it. I'll have the link for this one down in the description if you want to pick up this one, just so you can be sure that it's strong enough for tools like this. But there's a bunch of them on there if you want to snoop around. And that's it for now, just a quickie. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.